Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have some bags from a company called WISKF, and they have their own website and their products start at $5.99. They have just hundreds and hundreds of bags to choose from. And what they are is a synthetic linen tote, and they're tote bags. And this is just a plain type of tote. They also have some totes that are larger, that are just like $12.99. These are just so cute, super cute. I got to pick my bags. So of course, what do you think I picked? This beautiful cat with the flowers. And the base of it is 16 inches across. And then it goes up about 15.5 inches. And then the handles have a drop here. From here to here is 14 inches. So you can easily put it over your shoulder and carry it with you at the grocery, at the farmer's market, wherever you're shopping. You could use it for all kinds of things. You could use this for a slumber bag for the kids or any other reason. This company, their aim is to provide quality products. You can just slightly feel that there is a little bit of a coating on here for protection. So it'll keep it, I think it'll keep it, a little bit from getting rained on and all. But they're just super cute. And like I said, these are $5.99. If you buy a couple, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, you'll pay a little bit of shipping. The shipping is not high. If you buy 6 or more bags, you get free shipping. So let me show you the ones I have. And I have 4, and all 4 of them are $5.99 a piece. So look at that adorable cat. I love it. It's just artistic. And they just have so many things to pick from, and you could spend hours and days on their website looking. Like I said, they have beautiful initials and things like that, but I just thought the cats would be the best for my channel. So here's another one. How cute is that? Again, this one is the same. It is 16 inches across, 15.5 inches high, and the 14 inch drop for your to put over your shoulder. Or you can put it over your arm, or like I said, you can just stuff these with all kinds of things. Groceries, it's heavy load bearing. It's a great strong material. Like it's environmentally friendly material, and they use harmless ink. So it is a linen, but it's a synthetic linen. And look at how cute this one is with all these cats on it. And the others, I should show you, both sides are the same. The same with this cat. This is, both sides are the same, okay? And I have it, my third one is also cats. And this I thought was just so cute. Here, put the handles behind. Adorable, summery, great for the beach, this one. So summery looking. And how they came to me was in a bag, and each individual bag is in a plastic like this, okay? So this one, I just want to show you how it was sealed so that you can see it comes protected. And this is the same size bag, the $5.99 bag. And this is a Christmas bag. I chose a Christmas bag, and I love snowmen. So this snowman, look how cute he is. And again, the other side is the same. And 16 inches, 15.5 inches, 14 inches. You can do your Christmas shopping and carry this with. What's so nice about these is they're nice and thin. You can throw these in the car. You can throw these in the trunk. You can fold this up a few times and put it in your purse. And then you always have a bag for when you need it. So it's just great. And then another thing that I like to do with these kinds of bags is I don't like to buy the paper shopping bags. Even if I get them from the Dollar Tree. Now they're $1.25. But they're flimsy, they fall apart. The bottom sometimes falls out while you're carrying your gift. Something like this is so wonderful because you put your gift in here. You don't have to worry about wrapping it. You can put some tissue paper in there. Put your gift in there. And you can even, if you want to, you can tie the handles like this and have you a nice sack already. There you go. There's your present. No one can see in, and your present is wrapped, and then they get an additional present because they get to keep this bag. I like to do things like that instead of wasting money. To me, buying the paper ones that you're just going to throw out, that people just tear off and throw out, that's like throwing dollar bills in the trash. So this kind of thing you'll keep, and you can use it the following year, or you could use it through the winter months to shop and do what you want. So what I'm going to do, let me tell you again about the company, because these were sent to me free for review. This is WISKF, W-I-S-K-F company, and I'll have all the information below. I'll have their website. That's their website, is WISF company.com, I believe is it. No, it's just WISKF.com. And I'll have the links for these 4 bags. And then if you go there and look, you'll see just a huge array of beautiful bags. And like I said, they have some bags that have, you know, flat bottoms and bigger bags and all. They have beautiful bags, y'all. And I'm going to give one of these bags away. So whoever wins gets to pick which bag they want. Okay? So just say, don't just say the word. Some of you just say the word. Please don't do that. Say snowman, S-N-O-W-M-A-N, and you don't have to take the snowman bag, but if you want to say say snowman if you want to be entered in the giveaway. And then, well, then when you win, I'll ask you which bag you want. How's that? Make it easier on everybody. So we have, again, they're all the same size. Remember they were all the 16 inches here, 15 and a half here, 14 drop on the 14-inch drop on the handles. So we have the super cute snowman. I love him. He's in the snow. Hey, Smudge. We have this one is two black cats in the greenery. Isn't that cute? We have, this one has just, I don't know how many cats are on here, just a bunch. A bunch of different cats, super cute. And then we have this beautiful artistic cat. Just thought this was so pretty. This looks like a watercolor maybe, with the flowers, the cat with the flowers. So you pick, you don't have to tell me now, but say snowman if you'd like to be entered. And please use that in a sentence. And you have to be 18 years or older to enter and have a continental U.S. address of where I can mail this to. You can live anywhere in the world, but I have to be able to mail it in the continental United States. You need to be publicly subscribed to my channel. And this will run for 2 weeks. And there's all kinds of information below, the information on the giveaway. And let me think about it. YouTube is not responsible for this in any way. I'm not responsible if this gets lost in the mail. The company, WISKF, is not responsible for this. They sent these to me free for review, and I'm sharing one of them with y'all. So that is it, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by, and count your blessings. And Smudge is walking on the table behind the camera. He wants to get at these bags so badly, y'all. He loves anything like that. Smudge, come and say hey to everybody, and then we'll say goodbye. Okay, come here. Come here. Want to say hey? Let's see if I can get him over here. Hey, Smudge. I know he hasn't been making many appearances. Smudge, you want to say hey? Not really. Y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Thank you so much to WISKF for sending me these beautiful bags. Smudge, you want? What's wrong with you, Smudge? Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. Y'all, take care. Bye-bye.